Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Yeah, the real, yo.
There's just one thing I wanna say.
Copy.
There's just one thing I wanna say.
We gonna hit it down like this, y'all know the flavor.
There's just one thing I wanna say.
Alamo, was you with me?
What goes around comes back around again.
Stud Boogie, is you with me?
What goes around comes back around again.
SOS, is you with me?
What goes around comes back around again.
Yeah, this how we gonna bust it down, y'all. You know the flavor. You know what time it is. Check it, yo. This how we flow.
Get to the point.
Here comes the Pooba, and you know I won't fake it. Usually bust records on getting butt naked. Made for the Benzie. Drive a nigga skinsy from the tape, grab your naked with the Pooba frenzy. Come on, honey, thing, don't ya try to eject. Slow down, what you say once my joint gets erect. Some try to copy, but they just can't sketch it. Some try to follow, but they just can't catch it. With the boom, boom, fat, yeah, all of that. Look, I'm living fat, me fall off, there be none of that. See, who's the one to flip it? Quit the telling if it's a drink of 40, cause we ain't got time to sip it. Grand Pooba got body. Get some of them, some of those, and some yachty. As dope as they come, second sing or hum. Don't try to step to this, you know you slum. First battle rap, well here's the pitch, it's a curve. Second battle rap because the first got served. The one who arouses a browse for a blouse. Get styles by the plows as I leave a trail for miles. Skis when I please, hit from here to Tel Aviv. I'm getting G's, no more time for the line of free G's. Here's the 411, huh? The one who gets the job done, I know you know the flavor of the Pooba.
What goes
Yeah. Nah. This how we bump it, yo. You know what I'm saying? Big Jeff in the house. We gonna move it like this. Baby pop in the house. Bust how we bust it down. VR, you know the flavor. Sincere love. Check. Okay. What more could I say? Alamo, get the boom and parlay. I'm far from the average. Civilized and savage when I'm low on protein and with the beans, soup and cabbage. Skins on the diet, get the flavor, cause it right. Do a show and get the dough and then I'm off to the high. So time me on the split. Ain't no answer if and if you really wanna rip, you just might end up playing stiff. Jabos hanging back and heel figure on the top. Knapsack on the back, that's just my flavor. As my man gives us bigger. Watching the street grow bigger. The pause case, that's here goes the wreck. What do you expect if you wanna see some wrecks and cast out a check? Grand Pooba, more than a public figure. Quick to kick the bone up the butt of a gold digger. Now tic-tac-toe means I hit 3 in a row. If I do a show, then you better have my dough. Low. Well, how low can you go? Call on Grand Pooba if you really need a pro, cause my shit's more rugged than G.I. Joe. Don't front, honey, act like you know. Now big up to my Brooklyn mall. Big up to my uptown mall. Yeah, brothers wanna this because it's my turn to burn. My best advice for the brothers is to sit back and learn. I don't diss nobody to be somebody. I just like to kick the flip and make the people party. See, all I'm saying is respect to those who try to follow. Sorry I left you. Grand Pooba, Stud Boogie, and Alamo. So if you ever want the flavor, you know where to go. Now how we go. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah, the real. Yeah. This is how we move. Here we go. You know the flavor. You know the flavor. You know the flavor. Here we go. Yo, big up the go. Big up. Here we go. Yeah. Big jump. Hold tight. On and on, yo. Time to get
flow, but they got no show. So I'ma grab the mic, flip a strip, believe the stun. Buck shots the one that gets the job done. Mic check, I get paid to wreck the set. Get ready and check, cause I'm a threat to your fret. No host bar, incomplete move fakers. That's the way the back of watch a girl, I might take her. If she's a grab, I'ma diss her then slide. If she try to rip, I got my Smith on my side. Word to God, here I comes to make way. Rugged and rough, killing your set every day. Microphone check, 1, 2, here we go. And I'ma let you know who got the flow. Spitting my verbs like an automatic weapon. Suckers keep stepping, cause I'ma let you know.
You mean, when you nod your head yes, but you wanna say no, what do you mean? Hey, yeah, when you don't want me to move, but you tell me to go, what do you mean? Oh, what do you mean? Since you're running out of time, what do you mean?
against me, so I played them like a hit me from the 60s. But I'ma get paid from the 90s. Right to play your little rascal out like slimy, get your flavor. With my lifesaver techniques, guaranteed to move freaks, and I'll go on for weeks, maybe years. If my peers give me ears to fill, lick off a shot and act ill. Ball, late and chill, see I paid my dues.
But you make everything alright when you hold and you squeeze me tight. But you make everything alright when you hold and you squeeze me, squeeze me. But you make everything alright when you hold and you squeeze me tight. But you make everything alright when you hold and you squeeze.
You make me feel so nice when I'm around you. Wake up in the morning and I'll spend my whole life with you. The sweetness of your smile helps away with all of my fears. If it should all go wrong, my life succumb to tears. I've never been so deep into anyone else but you. A place within my heart, never been so close to you. And if you want me to hang around, then I'll never let go. I'll give you all my time, stick around with you for sure.
But you make everything alright when you hold and you squeeze me tight. But you make everything alright when you hold and you squeeze. But you make everything alright when you hold and you squeeze me tight. But you make everything alright when you hold and you squeeze me.
If it should all come true, I'll give my heart to you, to keep safe in your arms like I know that you wanted to. It gives me so much joy that I can call you all of mine. Oh, will it all work out? Will I see just every time? And if it all goes right, looking down from a bird's eye view, I see my love made good from the time that I spent with you. I'll give you anything and everything will work out fine. So I can trust in you because you give me peace of mind. Cause you are all I want, and you are all I need. Cause you are all I want. Cause you are all I want, and you are all I need. Cause you are all I want.
Me by the hand, because I'm your only mate. Because I'm your only mate. Because I'm.
Cause you make everything alright when you hold and squeeze me tight. Cause you make everything alright when you hold and squeeze me tight. Cause you make everything alright when you hold and you squeeze me tight. Cause you make everything alright when you hold and you squeeze me tight. I'll do anything for you, you'll do anything for me. I'll do anything for you, keep on telling me, keep on using me. I'll do anything for you, you'll do anything for me. I'll do anything for you, keep on using me, keep on using me. I'll do anything for you, you'll do anything for me. I'll do anything for you, keep on telling me, keep on using me.
But you make everything alright when you hold and you squeeze me tight. But you make everything alright when you hold and you squeeze me, squeeze me. But you make everything alright when you hold and you squeeze me tight. But you make everything alright when you hold and you squeeze.
You make me feel so nice when I'm around you. Wake up in the morning and I'll spend my whole life with you. The sweetness of your smile helps away with all of my fears. If it should all go wrong, my life succumb to tears. I've never been so deep into anyone else but you. A place within my heart, never been so close to you. And if you want me to hang around, then I'll never let go.
Sudah hampir 2 tahun. Pada awalnya saya cuma ikut-ikutan, diajak, terus saya jalanin. Saya merasa senang, nyaman, dan bangga punya kru seperti ini. Terus kedepannya mudahan bisa sama-sama terus dan mencapai apa yang kita mau.
Sudah hampir 2 tahun lebih
Pertama, saya hanya diajak teman ikut-ikutan. Gak lama saya di sini, lama-kelamaan kayak dapat kekeluargaannya gitu nah, kekompakannya. Hampir 2 tahun. Saya ngerasa di sini berbeda dari yang lain. Awalnya cuma ikut-ikutan. Saya ngerasa kekeluargaan di sini lebih berbeda dari yang lain. Saya di sini kepingin belajar dan ngembangin bakat. Saya sayang guru saya.
Kalau di Army baru 1 tahunan. Karena awalnya lihat di sekolah ada dance gitu pas pensi. Dulu kayaknya kayak gimana mau belajar untuk berlatih masuk di Army. Lalu akhirnya saya ikut-ikutan masuk di Army aja. Di sana ngerasain kayaknya enak betul gitu lah main sama UArmy. Latihan sama UArmy itu kayak enak gitu. Kita aja.
Sekitar 2 tahun. Awalnya di sini emang saya suka ngedance. Lalu ada teman saya yang nawarin buat ikut dance itu, salah satu dance itu namanya UArmy. Di situ memang saya sempat mikir, ragu-ragu buat masuk. Tapi saya coba dulu. Lama-kelamaan beberapa minggu saya ikut latihan. Di sini saya ngerasa betah karena dengan prinsipnya yaitu saling sharing. Di sini kita saling berbagi. Jadi di sini kita bisa berkembang sama-sama dan kita bisa majuin nama UArmy lebih dari ini. Dan di sini memang passion kita adalah ngedance.
3 tahun. Karena sebelumnya saya emang udah kenal sama anggota-anggotanya, jadi saya berani masuk ke UArmy karena saya emang udah percaya sama mereka-merekanya. Terus salah satu utamanya pasti karena saya suka ngedance, saya pengen mengembangin tarian saya, dan di UArmy saya bisa belajar perlahan-perlahan tanpa perlu untuk dipaksain. Karena UArmy terima saya padanya, terus mereka nggak maksain saya harus punya skill atau sesuatu. Yang penting UArmy cuma perlu kekeluargaan sama kejujuran. Itu yang penting dan itu yang saya suka banget dari UArmy. Dan terus cuman mereka lah yang tahu jeleknya saya atau jeleknya saya. Jadi saya ngerti. Jadi cuman mereka yang ngertiin saya walaupun saya ngelakuin hal-hal nggak suka, tapi mereka tetap ngebimbing saya dari awal sampai sekarang.
Sudah hampir 2 tahun lebih. Saya sih ikut-ikutan. Begitu saya tuh nggak suka dance. Cuman karena saya pengen belajar dance, jadi saya masuk di UArmy Dance School. Saya pengen menjadi diri lah. Saya pengen tahu saya tuh punya skill apa dan saya bisa apa. Jadi menurut saya UArmy harus ikut